All right. Good day, everybody. This is Silas Umekwe, also called Crypto Silas. All right. Now, I want to do a very short video, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining. If I'm going to be answering a question a lot of people have been asking. A lot of people have been asking, is Bitcoin crashing? Is Bitcoin crashing? I get a lot of calls from people every single time right now, and they are asking, guy, what's happening to your Bitcoin? What's happening to your cryptocurrency? Even people that I know actually don't care about cryptocurrency. So I just felt the need to create this video. Now, if you watch shortly, I'm going to answer that question if actually Bitcoin is crashing. Now, if you can see my screen, you're going to be seeing, I'm sure you can see the BTC against USDT chart. Now, I would like to bring something to your notice, right? I would like to bring something to focus here. Now, if you look at every chart in cryptocurrency, if you look at your cryptocurrency chart, and this goes beyond, way beyond cryptocurrency, because I'm also going to pull up a few other charts later on. But let's look at this cryptocurrency chart. Now, this is Bitcoin against USD Theta on a 15-minute time frame. Now, if you can see this, what you're going to see, you will always notice that there is a, okay, now let's look at this chart, and let me show you something. Now, you can see from here that there is this price drop, then it goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up, then it goes sideways, comes down, goes up, then goes up, now this is how every money market chart looks like. You would never find a time where you have you will never find a time where you just have market going just up. You won't find that. Now, a lot of people just think that, okay, the cryptocurrency market is just supposed to keep going up, 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 and the rest of them. Now, this is the mindset a lot of people come into cryptocurrency with. They have this mindset that once I buy a cryptocurrency, it is supposed to keep going up. Now, this is a very, very wrong mindset. Now, let me answer the question if Bitcoin has crashed. Before we talk about that, we need to understand the value of the cryptocurrency market. Now, if you follow me closely, let's go to coin market capitalization. Now, coin market cap is simply telling us the value of the entire cryptocurrency market entirely. Now, the cryptocurrency in its entirety, based on the amount of cryptocurrency listed on coin market cap. Mind you, not every currency, not every cryptocurrency is listed on this site, but this site gives us at least a very good number of the amount of cryptocurrency in circulation. Now, if you look closely, you are going to see that we have about 10,030 cryptocurrencies. We have about 10,030 cryptocurrencies. Now, these currencies are valued at over $1.5 trillion. $1.5 trillion. Now, a $1.5 trillion market is not what will just come and disappear in 1 minute. I know a lot of people that are waiting to tell their friends, I told you. They are waiting to say, I told you not to do this. I think I told you not to get into this business, but you think you're smart and all of that. But let me burst your bubble. Let me break your heart. Cryptocurrency market has not $1.5 trillion market cannot just disappear. It cannot just disappear. But the question is, now, what happened to Bitcoin? Why was there a drop in price? Now, let's go back to our chart. So probably we will have an understanding at what really happened, or rather, what is really happening. Now, I started by explaining to you that the market will not just continually go up and keep going up. You would always have that zigzag motion or movement when you have your chart. Now look at this. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes. This is what the market does. This is exactly how market moves. I don't understand. We have this mindset that the market just keeps going up, up. Okay, market does this, then goes up, then goes up, then goes up, then goes up. No, that's not how the market works. The market will not just keep going up, 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 up. The market is also going to do what's called consolidation. When it goes up, it comes down to gain balance, goes up, comes down to gain balance. Now, let me explain this. First of all, I've explained that the cryptocurrency market is a $1.5 trillion market, so it is not going anywhere. Now, let me answer the question, why the drop in price? Okay, so if you look at this chart, I guess what you can see here is that this is a Bitcoin against USD chart on the 15-minute time frame. Now let's go away. Let's increase the time frame so we can have a better view of this. Now, this is the whole cryptocurrency movement within the past. What day is this? Within the past, okay, from the beginning of the year. From the beginning of the year is around first of the year is from here. Okay, so I'll draw a line to indicate this. So the beginning of the year is somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. If I'm not mistaken, let me get my line right. Okay, so the beginning of the year, first. Okay. Okay, so this is the beginning of the year. Let me zoom in a little. So the year started here. So let me highlight that. The year started here at about $30-something thousand. Now, let's look at this. The year started here at about $27,000. Now, like I told you earlier, the market will not just keep going up and up and up and up. That's not how market works. Now, let's look at this. Now, if the market started from here, obviously, I said that the market will not just keep going up and up and up. Now, if you look at this, you would notice okay, so you will notice this pattern in the price movement, and that is this. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Now, this is a normal market movement. You need to understand this. This is a normal market movement. The market will not just keep going up and up and up. There is also going to be a consolidation. The market will come down once in a while. The market will come down. It will come down and it will go up again. That's how the market works. So guys, stop saying cryptocurrency has crashed, cryptocurrency has crashed, cryptocurrency has crashed, Bitcoin has crashed. Now, this is number two. I'm trying to explain to you that market movement is not just up, 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 up. There is up, there's down, there's up, there's down, there's up, there's down. Now, that's number two. Now, number three, by how much did the cryptocurrency market drop? Because a lot of people are saying, nah, this your Bitcoin don't crash, this your Bitcoin don't crash. Now, let's see by how much the cryptocurrency market dropped. Let's compare it to the amount of money or the upward movement that it actually did. From the beginning of the year, the markets, in fact, towards the end of last year, the market moved heavily from about $10,000 to $60,000, $64,000 precisely. Now, that is about 600% profit. 600% profit from the end of last year till end of last month. Market moved by 600%. Now, what do I mean by this? It means that if you bought one Bitcoin by the end of last year, which was about maybe November last year, right now, or October last year, at the all-time high, you would have made 600%. Now, if you bought one Bitcoin last month, now what would be the value of your portfolio? The value of your portfolio will just be less than 50%. So this is a 50% correction. Now, this is a market correction. Like I said, the market will not always keep going up. It's a market correction. Now, let me show you what I mean by a market correction. Let's go to a higher time frame where the noise is not so visible. Now, look at this. This is a normal chart, guys. This is a normal chart. The market started rising. The market started rising, rose from here all the way here, corrected, went up, went a little sideways, then came down, is picking up from here. Now we don't know where this is going, but you need to understand that is how the market works. So on the longer time frame, this is a market correction, right? This is how the market works, guys. Stop bothering yourself about whether the market has crashed. The market has not crashed. The market is only doing what it's supposed to do. Now, one of the reasons, again, why the market crashed or why there was a price drop is because of our friend Elon Musk. Now, not just because of Elon Musk only triggered the price movement, but the correction was necessary. It's just for those that trade Forex, for instance, no matter what your NFP farm, your non-farm payroll news brings out at the beginning of the month, you always know that there's going to be an impact in the market, but the market is still going to continue to where it was going before then. Now, that's exactly what the Elon Musk saga brought into the space. What he just did was it triggered the correction in the market, but eventually the market would always obey the charts. It was necessary for a price correction, and that's exactly what it did. Bitcoin fell, the price of Bitcoin fell from 64,854 to about $30,000, and that is about 55% drop in market price. But as you can see, we are on $38,000. Now, I can't tell you that the correction is done because, like I said, market will always go up and go down. Now, but one of the major reasons why the market was heavily impacted by the Elon Musk saga was because Bitcoin has a 45% dominance of the entire cryptocurrency market space. What that means is that if Bitcoin starts moving upwards, chances are that most of the other currencies are going to follow it in the upward movement. And it also goes to say that if Bitcoin starts dropping or moving downwards, chances are that most of the other currencies are going to follow it in that downward trend. And that is because Bitcoin has a 45%, market dominance of the market capitalization. Now, also, I need to make you understand, Bitcoin has 45%, Ethereum has about 17%. Combined together, they have close to 60%. They have a close to 65%, 61, 62%. So you can imagine out of 10,300 or 10,030 cryptocurrencies listed on the coin market cap, about 2 of them have over 60% dominance. Now you can imagine that the remaining 10,028 would always obey what Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing. So if Bitcoin and Ethereum is bullish, chances are that the entire cryptocurrency market will be bullish. And if they are bearish, chances are that the entire cryptocurrency market will be bearish. Now, also, I need to make, I think there's one more thing I need to explain before I get out of your face on this video. Now, you also need to understand that there is a period when the cryptocurrency market would rise. There's a period when the cryptocurrency market will rise, and there's a period when the cryptocurrency market will drop. Now, it's not just cryptocurrency. It's like that with every financial market. Every financial market works that way. So we have the period of that continuous rise. Then we have the period of the drop. Now, the period of the continuous rise is what we call the bull run. Now, if you can see for the past how many weeks, that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. For over 26 weeks, we were on a bull run. For 26 weeks, we were on a bull run. So Guys, if there is a bull run for 26 weeks, obviously you would expect a little market correction. But we cannot tell if this is signaling the beginning of the bear season until these next few candles play out. But it's not looking very good. But I can't say if the market is completely bearish right now or if it's just a correction until we see the next 1-2 candles. That was what will determine if the market is ripe for a completely new trend. Now, I usually say something: the market or the trend is your friend. But don't forget that the trend would always come to an end, and the end of a trend begins another trend. Now, what do I mean by that? The trend is your friend. When the market is going up, if you're buying, you're in profit. But don't forget that that trend would always come to an end. And that end, once we get to that end, it's also going to signal the beginning of another trend, which could be a downward trend. So, guys, with all of this, I'm sure you are now enlightened that the cryptocurrency market has not crashed. It's not crashing. The market is doing exactly what is expected of the market. After a long bull run of about 26 weeks, we just have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 to 6 weeks market correction so far. So let's see how long this market takes in correcting. Well, guys, I can tell you, I can't say that we are exactly entering a bear season until we see what the next few candles is going to play out, or how the next few candles are going to play out. But what I'll tell you is trade with caution. Meanwhile, for those of you that just jumped into cryptocurrency because you had Elon Musk talk about Doge, you had a lot of things about cryptocurrencies, and you're just buying, and by now I'm sure some of your portfolios are less, over 90, you have over 90 to 80 to 90% loss in the value of your portfolio. Well, I'm sorry about it. I wish there was a way I could help you, but in the meantime, please take out time and learn the whole system of the cryptocurrency, the entire cryptocurrency system, the entire crypto ecosystem. Learn it, study it, learn how to trade. That's the only way you can profit. So thank you very much, guys. I just hope I've been able to clear the air. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is not crashing. It's doing what every other financial market will do. The gold market does this, stocks do this, oil and gas does this, and a lot of other cryptocurrencies, all other financial commodities, they do this. So guys, don't let anybody tell you that the cryptocurrency market has crashed, because it is a lie. Thank you very much, guys. I am Silas Umekwe. Now, if you're interested in being a part of my training, please just feel free to drop a message with me, and I'll be very grateful to attend to you. And for those of you, for the 10 people that got scholarship into my training class, thank you, congratulations, and I hope you gain as much value as I have to give. Thank you very much, guys.